Hi all, Rene here. I am here today to put together the Cut Above Layout Kit for October from the Craft with Heart subscription service. This one looks like it'll be a lot of fun. I love these colors. Really looking forward to putting it together. If you've never seen one of these before, they come with everything pre-cut. You've got stickers, you've got die cuts, backgrounds that are pre-printed. Makes it really quick. You can usually do both 2-page layouts in about half an hour to put it all together. And then all you need to add is some adhesive and a journaling pen and your pictures, and you're usually good to go. You can use 3D foam tape if you want to make things taller, but I think I'm just going to do mine all pretty flat. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some music and start putting this together, and then I'll be back at the end to show you the finished product. I hope you enjoy. these turned out really cute. A couple of mistakes I made. So don't be like me. This picture right here is supposed to be a 5x7. I should have realized something was up when I had to cut the sticker because the sticker was too long. It was supposed to be a 5x7. So it would have fit perfectly. This would have overlapped the way it was supposed to. But you know what? I think it still turned out really cute. I may put a little embellishment here in the corner just to cover up that little crazy edge. But otherwise, I think this turned out really cute. I love these stickers. Now, some of these were a little bit hard to figure out which ones went where. But you know what? At the end of the day, I don't think it really made a big difference. I did get this one in the wrong place. It was supposed to be the shorter one and the longer one was supposed to be here. But I think it turned out just fine. But I really like it. I think it's really cute and I love the colors. So there's the first one. Now the second one, this took a little bit longer. And I somehow misplaced one of my photo mats. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut, I didn't put that down very good at all. So I'm going to cut a piece of paper to match out of my stash. I'm sure I have this color somewhere. If not, I'll look in my inks and see if I have an ink that I can ink around to make it match. But this turned out really cute. I love the way all these leaves and everything came together. And I thought it was going to be difficult, but it really wasn't. It did take a little bit longer than it normally does when I put these together, but I think it really looks amazing. I love the design. I love the way they put this all together. So those are the two-page layouts for the October Craft with Heart subscription kit. If you have any questions about the kit or anything I've done here, just go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I'll be happy to get back with you, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.